Let's talk about molecular mass today. Molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule of the substance. किसी भी molecule के atoms के all atoms के masses को combine करने के बाद उनको sum up करने के बाद हम molecular mass calculate कर सकते हैं. And it is therefore relative mass of a molecule expressed in atomic mass units जिसको हम U से denote करते हैं. For example, we can see the relative molecular mass of water. First of all, we have to know about the formula of water, and it is H2O, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Mass of one atom of hydrogen is 1 unit and mass of 1 atom of oxygen is 16 units. Here 2 hydrogen atoms are present, so 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16 and sum up होके total आएगा 18 units is the relative molecular mass of water. Similarly, we can calculate molecular mass of any molecule consist of different type of atoms. In case of HNO3, 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen and there are 3 atoms of oxygen. Mass of 1 atom of hydrogen is 1. Mass of 1 atom of nitrogen is 14 units and mass of 3 atoms of oxygen is 3 into 16, that is 48 units, and it becomes total 63 units. So we can easily calculate molecular mass of any molecule by sum up the atomic masses of respective atoms which are present in that molecule.